11, 11. The 11th day of the 11th month, which is November, is a very powerful day, a very significant day for manifestation because everything is in alignment. The number 11 is a master number, and when it is repeated, it has an exceptional power. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can benefit from the 1111 portal and what you can do on that day to enhance your manifestation. Let's dive in. Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the 1111 energy, but before that, if you are new here today and you want to discover more about spirituality, about law of attraction, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to avoid missing out any of my video. The 11th day of November is considered as the luckiest day of the year because of the energy behind the 1111. 1111 is one of the angel numbers that represent spiritual change, spiritual awakening, a new beginning, the most strongest and luckiest angel number. When you see the angel number 1111, you know that you have to pay attention to your intuition. You know that you are on the right path, your manifestation is on the way. It is the same logic for the 11th day of November. And we all know that 1 stands for new beginning. 1 is the beginning of everything. So the energy is amplified right now. And the 11th day of November is the perfect day for your manifestation. Now, you have to be mindful of your energy. You have to be mindful of your belief system. Find a way to calm your mind down through meditation. Otherwise, you may end up attracting the wrong thing. You have to let go of your negative thoughts that are no longer serving you. It is said that we don't attract what we want, but we attract what we are, right? So if your subconscious does not match with what you want to attract, it's not going to work for you. So for the 1111 portal, what I recommend you to do first on that day is to meditate. There are guided meditation everywhere online right now. You can just look for one and follow along to help calm your mind down. And make sure you avoid noisy places because anything you hear becomes part of you. You unconsciously absorb those vibrations. So it is really important to clear your mind before anything. Now, after calming down your mind, you can make a wish. You just have to follow your intuition, okay? Because the 1111 is a call that something is going to happen in your life. Something is going to change in your life. There is a possibility that you will encounter a new beginning. So you just have to trust the universe and follow your heart. So you can decide to write down your wish, okay? This can be related to your love life, to your professional life, to your personal life, anything your instinct is telling you. What change do you want to see in your love life? Write it down. What change do you want to see in your professional life? Write it down. What change do you want to see in your marriage? Write it down. Anything this might be, write it down with clarity and trust the universe. Now, the other thing you are going to focus on is your emotion, your vibration. If your vibration does not match with the frequency of your manifestation, it's not going to work. That is why we took our time to calm the mind down in the first place. Now, you are going to close your eyes and focus on your feeling. If your wish comes to pass, how will you feel? If you see the change in your life, how will you feel? If you see the change in your professional life, if you see the change in your marriage, how will you feel? Your feeling is really important, because the 1111 energy is going to amplify everything, and this will help you manifest faster than never before. It will help your manifestation come true. Remember, we said the number 11 is a master number with a strong frequency, and as it is repeated here, 1111, it makes the day to be a special day with a powerful spiritual energy. So what we are doing here is to take advantage of the high spiritual energy of that day to manifest our desire. So when you finish visualizing, to make your feeling or your frequency matches the frequency of your manifestation, think about the action you can make towards your goal. Is there an action you can take to make a change in your love life? Is there an action you can take to make a change in your professional life? Think about it and start acting towards your goal. The universe will not fail you. If you have the right vibration, you are going to attract the right thing. And one thing you should avoid here is to overthink about when your manifestation is going to happen. Do not worry about when you will see results. Forget about it and trust the universe. The law of attraction is always working for us, but we are not paying attention. The moment you are worried, your energy is going to drop, and you are unconsciously blocking your manifestation. So make sure you follow instructions to make the best out of the 11th November energy. I wish you the best, and if you have learned anything at all from this video, like, share to your friends, and leave a comment below. Also, if you like to discover more spiritual tips and law of attraction tricks, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Blessings.